Fruits of the cordia tree, tamarinds, and a good place for a nest. The biodiversity of trees in Kaboretambi National Park in southern Burkina Faso offers favorable living conditions for many species of birds. Nevertheless, bird conservationists are concerned. Migratory birds from Western Europe, such as the kingfisher, are becoming increasingly rare. Migratory birds are indicators of the health of an environment. Today, we can say there are fewer and fewer migratory birds here, and this is clearly due to the deterioration of the nature of their habitat. Just a few kilometers away from the conservation area, biodiversity is a thing of the past. Only shea trees, as far as the eye can see. The cosmetics industry thirst for shea is driving a boom, and farmers like Denis Nanu are profiting from it. Burkina Faso is the world's second biggest exporter of shea nuts, which are used to make cooking oil and skin products. Shea is very profitable for us. Sometimes I sell nuts, but I earn more with the butter. But awareness is leading to a shift in practices. Now the farmers are starting to restore the destroyed diversity, and that begins with creating healthy soil. Ajuma Sanu works for a Dutch NGO which is concerned with the survival of migratory birds. He shows the farmers how to make compost from biological waste, including cow dung and maize leaves. The compost is to replace artificial fertilizers which kill insects, an important food source for the birds. Our goal is the protection of birds, but unless the farmers see direct financial benefits, they aren't interested. That's why we work to include business aspects in the project. Maize farmer Frank Nane has already been a composter for some time. I save a lot of money every year on artificial fertilizers, and the field is much more fertile now, and we are all much healthier. The NGO convinced him that it will be better to leave trees standing in his field. He now knows that in heavy rain, the topsoil doesn't wash away so easily. The roots of the camel's foot tree hold the soil well. I used to remove all the bushes and young trees on my fields. Now I practice what is called assisted natural restoration. It's simple. You cut back weak branches to help the stronger ones grow quickly into a tree. Then it can flower for bees and other insects, which will attract birds. More bees, more biodiversity. That's the idea behind NGO Afrique Vats campaign to teach farmers about keeping bees. Shea farmer Denis Nanu can also earn extra money from that. She already has beekeeping experience, but is happy to have a refresher. How does one use a smoker to calm bees? When is it time to harvest the honey? Nearly 30,000 farmers have had training in the last year. The first objective is on an environmental level. It's to create biodiversity because bees pollinate fruit trees and trees in general. So this pollination will help the trees, and in particular, it will help the shea tree. This year I noticed that the shea tree produced more fruit. Thanks to strong pollination, I'm really happy to have the bees. Although people will continue to plant shea trees, in the future, they are more likely to leave other trees standing as well, allowing more nature to develop and thrive.